Okay, so you requested for this video and you said I should show you how you can be able to uh you know you can be able to set the Fibonacci values of ICT, which I want to show you. So to locate the Fibonacci, you just need to look at your left right corner. Look at, we have one, which is this, two, or just let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 5, right? So we have one. We just first, let's just start from this dot, okay? You see, this is the first, just the first one is here. Then the second one is this one. Then on the third one, you see, just scroll down, you see fib retracement and just click on it. Okay, just click on it. And then when you click, just draw it anywhere. Okay, this is how mine is, like how I've set mine. But just draw this anywhere. And after drawing this anywhere, you see this annotation thing to appear. So when it appears, just click on this button, settings. After clicking on settings, you have all your values on this. Okay, so this is how it is actually sometimes. Let me apply the first and you see. So when you open your Fibonacci, this is what you have on your Fibonacci. Okay, and this is the Fibonacci values you have given to me, which is here. So now I want to enter the Fibonacci values into this particular values slots. Okay, so the first one is 0. The second one is 0.50, which is this one. So meaning that he's not using this one. So we are going to take this off. Okay. We're going to take this one off. So he's using from 0.5. Okay. And so you can see the 0.5, 0. This way, it doesn't matter. You can just remove it as well. It's all the same. And then the second one he uses is the 0.61, which is this particular one right here. And the third one he uses is a 1.0. So which means he's not using the 0.7. Okay, he's using the 1.0, which you can add 0.0, but it doesn't matter. It's still the same. And no matters. Every number standing alone is with 0.0. So now the next one is 0.70. Okay, so now the 0.70, which means he's not using, you know, so which means this one he has actually changed it to 0.70. Okay, so using 0.70 as you can see from here, right? Then the next one he has is negative values alone, okay, which is 0.62, and we can put that one here minus, let me see, is it minus 0. So it's not necessary to put in the rest of the values here. It's not really necessary to put them. After putting from this one, I think it's okay for you, and just unmark the rest. Okay, after putting the 0.7, the rest you can just unmark all of them. Okay, leaving, which means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you look at my chart, you can see I have it's been marked. Okay, so this is what you have right now. Okay, so now after you are done, just quickly press OK. And now you have your charts, your Fibonacci charts layout just here. And there's another cool part of it that you can be able to do. And by doing that, click on the setting button again. And then you can come and change the colors. You can change the colors to whatever color you desire. You can put any color. You can put red. You can see that it's changing. You can put red. You can put any color at all you want. Okay. But I just stick to this one. You can just stick to the normal colors. And you can remove, when you scroll down, you can see have background colors. You can see background, so you can just remove the background colors. You can increase it and you can decrease it as well. So my advice for you to see your chart will just remove all of it. And the price levels, you can do it prices or you can leave it. Okay. My advice, when you look at it, you can see the prices is gone. It's only left with the values alone. The prices is just for you to know which price the Fibonacci is lying on, which market price it is lying on. Maybe if you want to like, if you want to be quoting. And the levels are this, okay? Me, I sometimes prefer using the percentage instead of the value. So you can see we have, when you click on, we have the values and we have the percent. I use this one. So we have the 50% level, we have the 61%, we have the 78%. Okay. So it depends on what you want. Okay. So here is the values, and you can see that we have 0.7, and then we have 1, and so forth and so on. So that is just it about Fibonacci. Nothing really difficult about it. So you can ask me more questions. So if you want it to reverse up, down, anyhow you want it, it's really up to you on how you want it right now. So I personally prefer using it the opposite way. Um, you can see the opposite way, just like, it depends on how you want it, the colors, how you want it, and everything. Okay, and if you want to have a very nice look, yes, you can put the 0.5, the 0.6 one, and then you can put it with as the golden zone. You can just do this way, and then come here and do another golden zone as well. And then you use the 0.7 as a normal zone. Okay, so let's put that one as maybe somehow like red. Okay, then the one becomes the danger, which means it is not a good place for you to go on. You can put it, or let's put it as just invalid, and invalid, color. Let's reuse this as an invalid color. I think it's will. Then this one can literally take any of these colors, like this one right here. And then the first one is okay right now. So you can see that this one looks more fancy a little bit. You can just play around with them how you want it. And after you are done, just press OK, and you have your Fibonacci tool complete. Now, after you are done, you can just click on it like this, come to this, and then you can save it, save drawings. So I have my Falcon zones. Then this one is from a YouTube channel, Trading Fanatics, that I've been using. My Falcon zones are just something. So you can save this as ICT. So I can put it as ICT. Okay, then I do save. So anytime I want to change, I can just change to Falcon zones. You can see I have my Falcon zones here. I have my Trading Fanatics is half, just like this, and I have the ICT2 as well. So you can change around the way you want, and that's just how I do it. So hope this helps, and you can ask me a question, and I'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.